Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USEG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume, and massive volume traded it this morning. Unfortunately, good old Uncle Sam and the government regulations of halts just absolutely destroyed this thing. It basically became untradeable this morning with halts. It seemed like every 2 seconds. However, the rough part was, and let me actually do this just to offer up a little bit more perspective. The price seemed to have, pulled back, of course, but then it became a matter of, okay, it became very logical to be thinking, okay, right now looking like 1075-ish might be the bottom here. Maybe this thing is trying to form a bottom. It was valid to be thinking that at that point because the price was beautifully going sideways, but that was not the end of the day. And you can see once the price did break down below that level, it has just been bleeding ever since. But that does come into play now, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, 1075 is now going to be that first key overarching level of resistance that you're going to want to keep a close eye on. So watch that very closely. But as of now, yeah, the downwards momentum is rough. It's quite strong. But like I said, if the price can manage to turn itself around and work its way back upwards, then 1075 will be a good little mile marker of just how strong or weak any sort of bounce is. As far as levels of support are concerned, it's now all about this purple line right here, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that right down there around $5.95, but let's just call it the nice round number of $6. So $6 is going to be that next key level of support to watch moving forward. But yeah, as of right now, a lot of downwards pressure, a lot of downwards momentum. A shame to see that level up there couldn't quite hold. But yeah, after it did break down below there, you can see that just opened up the floodgates of continued downwards pressure. But we'll see if the price can try to recover around or not on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.